While the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 reportedly won't be getting a dedicated space to dock the S Pen, it will apparently make a big adjustment to the aspect ratio of the device that is likely to split opinion. That's according to the reliable leaker Ice Universe, who tweeted an illustration of what he expects the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4's dimensions to look like compared to its predecessor. The internal screen ratio of Fold 3 is 5:4, and Fold 4 is closer to the square, he tweeted elsewhere. While Ice Universe emphasizes that this is based on limited information, you can immediately see the difference with the display being both shorter and wider. There are positives and negatives to this move. In the positive column, it would make the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 feel more like a regular phone when folded. Currently, the Z Fold 3 offers a slightly peculiar 24.5:9 aspect ratio when closed. It's tall and thin, in other words. This move would bring it closer to 18:9, which certainly feels more familiar. Before we continue, please let us know from which country you guys are watching our today's video from. We love reading your comments. When opened, it would also present a larger canvas, as Ice Universe himself notes. In a follow-up tweet, he added that this means it jumps from 7.55 inches to 7.56 inches across the diameter, which gives more space to play with. But the square shape is difficult for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it's not a great portable cinema, given content isn't really produced for a square screen. With large black bars, you're probably better off using the external screen for streaming instead. Secondly, one of the advantages of a regular tablet's aspect ratio is it's more flexible. What are the changes that we expect in the battery life of Galaxy Z Fold 4? Ultimately, we're sure Samsung knows what it's doing here, and we're promised a thinner and lighter Galaxy Z Fold 4 too, which is clearly a positive. But that also means we're unlikely to get any great improvements of battery life. Indeed, Galaxy Club has uncovered a safety listing which shows the new handset will have a very similar battery capacity to its predecessor. Once again, the battery is split into two cells across both halves of the handset, with one rated 2002 milliamp hours and the other 2268 milliamp hour for a total of 4270 milliamp hours. That's actually a bit lower than the Z Fold 3's 4400 milliamp hours cell, but we imagine it will be advertised as the same rated capacity when it's revealed. We're still some way off from the Galaxy Z Fold 4's reveal, but we're expecting Samsung to reduce the price a little bit more in order to drive adoption of foldables and cement its place as the market leader, though how that fits with the rumored boost to the main camera is unclear. We'll likely know more in the late summer or early fall. So guys, this is the end of our today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.